Samahan mo yan pa.
Rent the lane, pero a lot of people can play as long as they rent the bowling. It's ganun ba yun?
That's what I understood.
Ay, it's a split pala.
Spin sa akin.
Okay, Kiara, I'm recording this last one.
I'm
Split
pressured.
siya kung parang
This is such a pressuring
So,
competition for me. I am so pressured right
You
now.
can do it.
Split siya?
Split ang tao.
I-check mo sa kwan, AI?
Okay.
Whisper into the ball.
I am the ball. I am the ball. I will be the ball.
Here's, dalawang strike, kwan yan, malapit. Straight, straight. Yun. Yun, ay.
Oh, it's swing.
Okay.
So matagtag yung score.
Sino next?
Next na bayaran mo?
Si Kuya Jer, tsaka si Paulo.
That's one game pala.
You want to play?
Auntie Michelle!
Kayo ni Kwan. Kayo mga sisters.
Ah!
We're having dinner na in 30 minutes.
You can finish it in 25, pero...
Yeah.
No.
Keep saying this.
Sino?
Okay,
Wala na.
Yeah.
We'll play one game.
One game daw, Paolo.
Sige. Wala kayo ng kwan doon.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Shoes.
just, they finished in 30 minutes.
You rent a shoes
Paano na
na
ako makabalik ng room nito? Mag-watch pa ako ng other games.
Yeah.
Huwag ka na magbalik ng...
Wag ka na, wala ka ng ano. Ano oras na ba?
Mag-rest na lang tayo
Kuha
sa
kayo ng
ano.
extra shoes.
I wanna watch them throw the first few balls.
That's exactly what you said earlier.
Do you wanna go up na?
No, let's just go up to the restaurant. Kasi if you go up to
I wanna see Paolo throw a ball.
If you
Kasi
go
he said he
up,
does...
magaling ba?
Hindi magaling.
Nag-bowling na kayo dati. Pero si Malay mo.
Baka nag-ano na.
Baka nag-improve na siya. Playing with his friends. What's your commentary? Tuna eater?
Well, needs practice.
Grabe naman. I am tired.
Nag-yoga na siya.
But
Commentary,
I
guys.
like it because I can sleep. The ball is so heavy.
yeah.
No, it's ouchy on the ball is so colorful.
Yes.
Why did I say the ball is so heavy? I didn't even The ball looks so heavy.
The ball looks heavy.
I know. Maybe you need powder.
Baka you need a lighter, kwan.
Lighter one.
Ano siya eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can just release it slowly.
Slow release. Take your time, take your time, take your time. Yan. Oh.
Get 1.6 syrup. You shouldn't loft it.
Ooh.
I'll do next time.
But yeah,
You can try to like
I'll give you the purple one.
So this one can
Ayan.
balance the ball.
Then release the ball very near the lane.
Okay.
Very, very, very near the lane.
Like close to the ground.
Yeah, very close. Ayun! Nice, oh!
JR! Oh!
Kung nag-left ka nun konti, maganda yan. Pero okay na yan, that's good. Ang importante, control the ball mo na.
Grabe, oh.
Grabe, no? Parang expert eh, no? Parang expert. Sige, tanongin mo yung ano to, yung
Yeah.
back room ano to. Back seat expert.
There's amazing ball control. Wow!
Uy, muntik na. Sobra-sobra lang. Okay.
Yeah, that's a good ball for Kuya.
Great.
Yeah.
You know, you can even try the heavier balls. I think you can.
It's 11.
Ah.